Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing fine. By the looks of it, I think you guys know where I am. I'm back at the apartment and the apartment is finally complete. So I'm going to give you guys a finished apartment tour. We have put curtains here, so let me flip the camera. This is what it looks like. It is finally complete. All the doors are put. I don't think I showed you guys the light, but we've got similar lighting there. And I didn't record putting up the curtains because it was a very busy day, but we put curtains here. Also, the wall broke of this house. I don't think I told you guys that, but yeah, I think with the rain it all like fell off. This is the main door. We enter from here. We got this living room. We got the first bedroom here. This is the first bedroom. We come this side. We've got a sink. I don't think I showed you guys this, and we got a mirror. We got the first bathroom here. This is the kitchen. We have a gas stove and the chimney that's gonna come with the apartment. You got a loft space up here, fan and everything. That is the master bedroom. This is the attached washroom to the master bedroom. This is what it looks like. I am at the mall right now and I'm out with family. We are planning to go in the horror house. I've never been here, but Zia has been there. How is it? No, we'll go. Yeah, later yourself. I don't even know. Okay, let's see how it is. The next clip is the horror house, but it's all dark so you can't see anything. I'm just gonna keep a little bit so you guys can hear the audio and get an idea of what went down. Keep watching. Zia, you better tell what comes out, huh?
Nothing comes out of me. Where is this side? उधर नहीं this side रे. Side side.
अरे इधर किधर है? दरवाजा किधर है?
अरे follow this. Here.
Oh, there's Zia, tell me first only.
अरे no one is there.
I just want to know someone's coming out.
Go straight, take a right again. Sure. One more exit it. Wait, go. Push the door.
That was quite rubbish. It was quite rubbish. But I've been to better ones. Would I recommend that? Absolutely not. It was quite rubbish. She's been there, so I kept asking her, just tell me if something pops out, but she said no, there's nothing that pops out. The floor vibrated at the end. I don't know if you understood anything, but fine. We are getting ourselves some pani puri and Zia's got, I think, some drink, but I think plans are to go to Breaking Bread with Aaron, but first I'm just gonna check out some stuff over here. Last night I was down with a fever, but I'm eating pani puri now, so hope that goes good.
A few moments later.
We are here at a place called Urban Anna. It's in Polvaram. I've taken cheese dosa, plain cheese dosa. I'm gonna tell you guys how it is. We got everything here. This is my plain cheese dosa. This is puri bhaji, and that is palak dosa. They enjoyed their puri bhaji and the palak dosa. My cheese dosa was nice, but I was getting some kind of like sweet taste, so I wasn't enjoying it. But I think you guys should come try it out. The tea was really good. I had 2 cups of chai. I don't want to get hit, so I'm gonna see you guys. I look like a mess right now, but don't mind that. I'm at the apartment. Everything is done. And if any of you guys are interested, I'm going to put a number over here and I'm going to leave it down in the description box. If you're interested in purchasing, you can call the number. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the little family time I had and the horror house and everything. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment down below and tell me what was the best part of the video. Was it me asking the guy darwaza kidhar hai, or was it just me being scared at a very shitty horror house? But see you guys in my next video.